Oh well, I don't got hungry, y'all. Definitely is. I don't know. I better probably go stop and go get me something to eat. And I done got to put it in that furnace. Next month, about the 15th of next month, I'll probably start replacing this air conditioning system on the air conditioning side. I got the heat going for right now. It's kind of funny though. When it's real cold, couldn't get over here and get it in. Now it done got a little warm outside. I done got the heat. His new furnace put in, hooked up and going. But I'm gonna stop and go get me something to eat. I got a little hungry. Yeah, I got a little hungry. I'm gonna go around here and check on my truck. Has been in the shop. I think they about got it ready to go. But like I said, I think if I eat a fish plate, I'm gonna probably get tired and sleepy. You know how we old guys get. We try to get through. I think it's gonna be the last job I do today. Nope, I can't. I got a trial to look at. Nope, I can't. I got a trial. Well, man, this feels good in here. It was 62 degrees in here. It was 52 degrees in here. It's about to pig out. I'm gonna let it stay on and see what it pig out. It got warm in there. It is, y'all. Put in Sound City Deliver. I'm gonna clean up. And then I'm gonna come back about an hour and see if it doesn't cut off. But got a lot of mess back there. Some of them keep. That's it, y'all. Done professional and clean. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get ready to get out of here and go get me something to eat. I'm gonna get my cookie and my bag and load it up. I'm gonna lock this place. I'm gonna let this furnace blow. When I come back, it's 76.9. And it got about 2 more degrees higher and it'll be at the money. And it's already warm in here, boy. All right, people. We'll talk to y'all later.